Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop NordVPN from opening automatically when you start your computer. It's a quick change, but it can make your startup feel noticeably faster. First, open the NordVPN app. If it's not already on your taskbar, open the key Start menu, type NordVPN apply, and click it when it appears. Once the app is open, look to the left-hand side. At the bottom, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings menu, so go ahead and click it. Inside the settings, select the section called General. This is where you'll find the basic behavior options, including how the app launches and runs on your system. In the General settings, look for the option labeled Launch the app on Windows Startup. This is the setting that causes NordVPN to open automatically every time you turn on your PC. To stop that behavior, simply toggle the switch off. The change is saved instantly, so there's nothing else you need to click. And that's it. NordVPN will no longer launch during startup, helping your computer boot up a little cleaner and faster. If you ever want to get NordVPN at a big discount, my link below gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months for free. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother startup.